Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. One nation, one election, important step towards making our democracy more vibrant, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. World Food India 2024 begins in New Delhi. PM Modi emphasizes innovation in food sector. Northeast United FC hosts open training and media day in Shillong. First STEM Innovation Hub exhibition held in Meghalaya. And speakers inspect new assembly building construction in Maodiangdiam. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the Cabinet accepting the recommendation of the High-Level Committee on Simultaneous Election is an important step towards making the Indian democracy even more vibrant and participative. In a social media post, Modi complimented former President Ram Nath Kovind for spearheading this effort and consulting a wide range of stakeholders. Prime Minister Narendra Modi affirmed the government's commitment to setting global benchmarks for innovation, sustainability and safety in the food sector during a video message for the opening day of World Food India 2024 in New Delhi. He highlighted India's diverse food culture and the vital role of farmers in the food ecosystem, noting government support through innovative policies. The four-day event at Bharat Mandapam features participation from over 90 countries, 26 Indian states and union territories, and 18 central ministries. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma emphasized Meghalaya's growing enthusiasm for football and outlined the state's vision to become a key football hub in the Northeast. Addressing the Northeast United FC's open training and media day in Shillong today, the Chief Minister outlined plans to establish Meghalaya as a key football hub in the Northeast, highlighting collaborative efforts with regional teams. The Chief Minister also discussed the upcoming football academy in the state and praised Northeast United players as role models for the youth, inspiring future generations.
Ready. 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 1, 2, 3.
And we are very hopeful that with Northeast United, with other clubs also, from the state, from the region also coming together, that Meghalaya will be a very important hub for football. And of course, with the setting up of the academy out here, I'm sure that is going to be a big boost to football as a whole. So you're not just playing for Northeast United, but you're also now playing for Meghalaya and the youngsters. So you're partnering and motivating. You're icons for the youth of our state.
The first ever STEM Innovation Hub exhibition in Meghalaya was organized today at Maungap District Christian Multipurpose Higher Secondary School. The event showcased skills in science, technology, engineering and math, including computer science. Speaking at the event, Swapnil Tambe, State Project Director of Samagra Shiksha, stressed the importance of improving rural school infrastructure to make science more engaging for students. He highlighted the significance of practical learning programs like STEM.
It's very important to have these kind of avenues. Maths and science, these have great applications in daily life. So that is more important. We need to learn the applied part of it. Science is, yes, important, you have to learn the basic, but applied science is more important. You have to know how in our daily life we can use these scientific principles.
Of course, this STEM it has really helped our students, not only in their performance, but also it has enhanced in their academic studies.
Thomas A. Sangma, Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, chaired a review meeting and conducted an inspection today of the new Assembly building at Maudiangdiang. The reviewed meeting focused on assessing progress and ensuring timely completion. While noting significant advancement, the Speaker acknowledged the project is slightly behind schedule. He expressed satisfaction with recent improvement in workforce availability, addressing earlier concern about worker shortages.
We find that the progress is good, though a little slow, but the progress is, overall progress is very good. We are very satisfied. I have called various departments like the forest department and the horticultural department to see that the entire premises of this complex are made green as much as possible.
In a press briefing yesterday, National People's Party spokesperson H.M. Shangpliang announced that Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong has been discharged from Apollo Hospital in New Delhi. He is currently resting at Meghalaya House and is described as hale and hearty. Tinsong was initially admitted to the ICU at Nazareth Hospital on September the 9th before being transferred to New Delhi on September 11. He is expected to return to Shillong in the coming days.
Have prayed and conveyed the best wishes for the speedy recovery of their beloved MLA, Sir Preston Tinsong. Sir Preston Tinsong, our Deputy Chief Minister, has been released from the Apollo Hospital and he is resting for a few days in the Meghalaya House in Delhi. I could speak to Sir Preston Tinsong today afternoon. He conveyed his best wishes to each and every citizen of the state of Meghalaya. He further informed that he is hale and hearty. He is likely to reach Shillong in the next few days.
Students from various colleges affiliated with Northeastern Hills University have formed the Students' Union of Nehu affiliated colleges to address concern over the university's grading system. Despite a letter sent to the Vice-Chancellor on September 13, they have received no response. The students are calling for reforms to the grading system, which they believe jeopardizes their academic futures. The union currently includes Sankardev College, Synod College, Shillong College and Jantia Eastern College.
Yang di dalam Synod College, nag education department, ninja sekenat yang meeting.
The West Jantia police achieved a major breakthrough yesterday with the arrest of a gang of interstate motorcycle thieves involved in multiple thefts across Assam and Meghalaya. A joint operation by Raliang and Umrangso police station led to this arrest. Additionally, Juwai police station apprehended Sdanki Merpet and Wanda O Bare for the illegal sale of contraband, seizing 5.1 grams of heroin and over 31,000 in cash. Progress was also made in the DC office theft case with the arrest of Arki Rindem. Police are working to recover stolen items from the accused. Maruti Suzuki hosted the Elite Fleet Operators Meet at the State Convention Center, Shillong yesterday, drawing participation from numerous drivers and tour operators. Despite widespread vehicle ownership in Shillong, Maruti Suzuki continues to be the top choice, particularly among commercial drivers and vehicle owners. As the leading used car brand in the state, the company used the event to present exclusive offers, with drivers being felicitated for their contribution. The event highlighted Maruti Suzuki's achievement and introduced the upcoming vehicle models.
आप सबका वेलकम मारुति सुजुकी.
The Meghalaya Filmmakers Association Ribhoi unit met with Deputy Commissioner Abhilash Baranwal today to address concern about the lack of local artists' representation at Meghalaya's festival, particularly the Cherry Blossom Festival in Ribhoi. President Lancius Seemle emphasized the need for greater inclusion of local talent. The Deputy Commissioner acknowledged this concern and committed to address the issue seriously.
Bangkok only. We went to different hospitals from the government of Meghalaya only. A team of 30 people went for training on health infrastructure.
Kini lagi festival mo kiban tulang apa ka disul jungi. Ni kalong pat ka posisi ba kibun ki local artist ke jungi. Tunjio banta ban perform le ban pri ka sap ka baki kidan. Te na kaliang jungi mata singi lawan kedua yai DC. Bang ilawan ban kelpa di ba habadon kini ki program ki festival dan ki kum ka Cherry Blossom ko masalong ki berai pasawan ba suba ai banta lang ai lat lang yang ki local artist ki badai na po ka dong ka thang Ribhoi berkawai.
Two bodies were discovered today in a river near Nehu, identified as Nyansi Riatam, who has been reported missing since September 18, with a 5-year-old girl, Erika Thaba. The pair were last seen at Mauyong Rim ISBT around 2 p.m. Search and rescue team, along with fire and emergency services and forensic teams, had arrived at the scene to assess the situation and conduct further investigations. Now let's have a quick look at the weather report. Minimum temperature recorded 18.6 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature recorded 28.1 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 72%, relative humidity in the evening was 80%. The forecast, light to moderate rainfall and thunder shower is likely to occur at few places. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the headlines once again. One nation, one election, important step towards making our democracy more vibrant, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. World Food India 2024 begins in New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi emphasized innovation in food sector. Northeast United FC hosts open training and media day in Shillong. First STEM Innovation Hub exhibition held in Meghalaya. And speakers inspect new assembly building construction in Mawdiangdiang. Well, viewers, that's all we have in today's edition of the news. Do join us again with more updates. Have yourself a good night.